Hi everyone, welcome to another video of an easy and homemade recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to make an anti-inflammatory juice. It's really good to start the new year, very healthy. So let's just get right into it. For this recipe, I'm using half a bag of organic kale and half a bag of organic spinach. After rinsing my vegetables, I am putting them into the mixer, as you can see. And once I'm done, I will use half of a banana. And the reason why is because kale is a little bitter. So to be able to enjoy your drink, then I add a little bit of half of a banana. Then I will also cut a little bit of the beetroot, half of a beetroot, and I'll put it in there and add water. You can add as much water as you want, but I usually use at least 16 ounces or more. And I'm going to start mixing it. For the measurement for kale and spinach, you can take about 4 cups for kale and 4 cups for spinach, depending on how big your mixer is. And you can just make the drink. You will enjoy it. After a couple of minutes, the vegetable juice is ready to serve. It is delicious. I enjoy it, and it helps the body rid of toxins. There is a lot of different juices, but I like this one also. I will be able also to post other juices later on if you are interested into it. As of now, I'm just showing this one for now. There you have it. In a couple of minutes, the juice is done and you get to enjoy your juice. I enjoy mine, and I hope you try it and let me know in the comments down below how you found it. Thank you for watching. If you like the contents of the videos that I'm making, please don't forget to share the video and subscribe. Hit the like button and the bell of notification so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Until next time, enjoy.